Here's how you can check your car's value for free using the tools that actually work so you walk into any sale or trade-in knowing your number before the dealer does. The three tools you will need are Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and CarGurus. Each pulls from different data, which is why you use all three and not just one. We're going to start with Kelley Blue Book at kbb.com. From kbb.com, you're just going to press on My Car's Value, and then from here, you're going to have to either choose VIN, make or model, or license plate. Now, if you choose VIN, you're going to have to enter your 7-digit VIN right here. If you choose make or model, you're going to have to type in your year, make, model, trim, mileage, condition, and zip code. But if you choose your license plate, then you're just going to have to enter your plate right here and choose your state and then tap on go right beside it. If you are selling directly to another person, the private party number is your target. Next, we're going to head over to Edmunds at edmunds.com, and then we're going to run the same details through the True Market Value tool. You're going to find that by heading over at the top of the screen, and then you're going to tap on My Car Value. Edmunds bases its number on actual completed sales, not estimates. This means it reflects what real buyers are genuinely paying, not what sellers are hoping to get. The Edmunds number is typically lower than KBB, and it is usually more accurate for negotiation. After that, we're going to head over to CarGurus at cargurus.com. From here, you're going to search your exact vehicle, same year, make, model, trim, and mileage. CarGurus shows you active listings in your area with good deal, fair deal, or overpriced badges. This is live market data, not book value. It tells you what sellers near you are actually asking right now. If your VIN is available, found on the dashboard near the windshield or on the driver's door jamb, run it through Vincario at vincario.com. You can just type it in here on your address bar, and then from here, you will have your free VIN-based estimate. This accounts for your specific vehicle history rather than a general average. Here's a quick note. The numbers across tools vary by a few $1,000s. That is normal. Your realistic selling price sits between the Edmunds true market value and the lower end of active CarGurus listings in your area. Once